Hi, everyone. Welcome to our meditation series. And today we are talking about awareness and stillness. Now, this meditation invites you to rest in stillness, not as emptiness, but as a space full of awareness. In stillness, we notice the subtle shifts of body, breath, and mind. This practice cultivates presence, clarity, and self-connection. So the goal for this meditation today is to help you discover the richness of stillness, awaken inner awareness, and learn how to carry this grounded presence into daily life and performance. So let's go ahead. And again, welcome to our meditation series on performance. And today we'll be exploring awareness and stillness, a gentle yet powerful practice that allows us to quiet the surface noise and discover what lives underneath. Take a moment to find a comfortable position, sitting upright yet relaxed. Shoulders are soft, hands resting easily, either in your lap or by your side. And if it feels safe, close your eyes. If not, then just softly and gently gaze down. Take a slow, deep inhale in and a long, gentle exhale. Begin by noticing the natural rhythm of your breath. You don't need to change it, just observe it. The rise of the inhale, the fall of the exhale, the tiny pause in between. Allow your body to grow heavy, supported by the ground beneath you. Feel that you can let go here. As you sit in stillness, bring your awareness inward. Notice the subtle sounds around you. And then notice the quiet beneath them. Notice the sensations in your body. And the stillness between movements. Notice your thoughts and the stillness in the gaps between them. Stillness isn't the absence of life. It is the space where life reveals itself. When the mind wanders, gently guide it back, noticing the breath, the body, or the quiet presence beneath it all. Imagine your awareness as a clear, calm lake. On the surface, ripples may appear. Thoughts, sensations, distractions. But beneath the surface lies still, deep, spacious awareness. Allow yourself to rest in that deeper layer. Breathe in. Feel spacious. Breathe out. Release tension. Inhale, present. Exhale, aware. As you sit here in stillness, notice what arises when you simply allow yourself to be. What truths can only be heard in the quiet? Remember, stillness is not something you have to create. It is always here, waiting beneath the noise. Gently bring your awareness back to your body. Wiggle your fingers and toes. Take one final deep breath in. And a slow, grounding breath out. When you're ready, softly and gently open your eyes. Carry this sense of awareness and stillness with you into the rest of your day. If this meditation brought you peace or insight, I invite you to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more guided practices like this. Together, we'll continue building presence, resilience, and a deeper connection to ourselves. I'm Mary Beth Rim. Until next time.